Dear friends, see now I am going to talk about this jackfruit. Jackfruit, I want to talk about this mic. See, this mic this is a Bluetooth mic. This is DJI mic 2. You can use it as a Bluetooth mic. My phone, this Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. See, what you have to do, you have to shoot through Pro video mode, not the regular video mode, Pro video mode. There you can see the Bluetooth icon. First you have to on this Bluetooth module, then you have to pair through Bluetooth icon of your phone. Then through in this Pro video mode, you can connect this Bluetooth mic, so you can record your contents very easily. Whenever wherever you go, you can use. You don't have to connect any adapter.